cold frame. So this is a term we're hearing a lot more about these days.
Yeah. It's, well, you use a cold frame as a sort of a season extender, kind of like the high tunnel we're going to talk about in a minute, but just on a much smaller scale. And a cold frame, typically, when people think of a cold frame, they kind of comes to mind that it's just something that out of blocks or concrete blocks or wood, and it has maybe a window sash over it or a transparent top. And it's usually, it tilts, you know, like this, it could be shaped like this, and the window sash is here, and then it's got the concrete blocks, and you open that up, and it's tilted or leaned, you know, it's higher to the north, but lower to the south, so that it catches, you know, the southern sun. During the fall and the early spring, it's like people can start cuttings. They can kind of protect plants from cold. They're not heated. That's the reason they're called a cold frame.
Right.
But it's just sort of a little plant protection, you know, for cool weather. A lot of people even overwinter some of their more tender plants in a cold frame. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of folks are using the cold frames now, and they're also using high tunnels.
Yeah.
Because I know a lot of producers here in Shelby County are using high tunnels now.
Yeah.
For tomatoes and tomatoes and some other fruits. So, thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.